Welcome home to this beautifully updated home in Alameda Park in Norman, Oklahoma. This home is for sale. I'm Marcie Billen and I'm a real estate agent in Norman, Oklahoma. You can find all of the listings that we have available on our website, and you'll find that in the description. Entering the front door to this house, you're greeted by the living room, complete with fireplace. The kitchen has been renovated and it's nice and open and has granite countertops. The patio door from the spacious dining room leads to the huge backyard on this corner lot. The 3 bedrooms in this house are located in the rear of the home. The owner's suite features a separate vanity area open to the rest of the room and a large closet that sits across from the tub toilet shower combo room, which is separate from the vanity. The owner's suite also has a door that leads to the patio, which serves as a wonderful window and lets in a lot of beautiful light. The hall bath in this house has also been completely remodeled and has a tiled shower tub combo. There's beautiful, durable laminate flooring in every space in this house where the tile is not. The hall bedrooms are also complete with deep closets for all of your storage. This home is just over 1,200 square feet, and other features include new appliances from 2018, a roof from the same year, and a brand new water heater. Don't miss this house. You can give me a call to schedule a showing on this house or any others. You can also send me an email that's linked in the description.